We always hear people say, your network is your net worth. Is that really the case? Over the years, you might have accumulated over thousands of contact cards. Have it been your net worth? If not, would you want to turn it into your net worth? Hi, my name is Seng Tat. I've been doing networking for more than 15 years. Professionally, I was trained in computer science major, and I was in software development lines for 5 years before I decided to switch to client-facing roles. Thanks to my networking skills that I developed over the years, today I am running my own event and training company. With this course of network to success, I will share with you my journey from being an introvert to extrovert, how I make contacts from scratch, and how I create long-lasting connections from my contacts. If you too want to expand your network and create your own success, this is a course that you cannot afford to miss.